ya gisa ne yire otuja no edie na ekoso enye nyame adom menya ntie na de me hwe ne se edie na ye emma lose interest ewo ma ho no to obetu agya no edie na bema bi lose interest se wo ba no ne suban omu ade ana onim se de hwe fie onum aduane no a enioma hyeda enko yie saa ana se de na ekoso ana se obi busa se edie na ma bi so lose interest ewo ko ba obeba ebema one ne ba betena na de emi hu pa ne se bema bi wo hokra na waye unim no ne na atena eti unim se ba be ya ware ma hyehye mo enioma nyina ye ba be ware bema o ba be wa busu enim nyina enim se ba be wa obehu ana bema no wagya asa okuta de ode ato ho no mboko no wagya wato ho no mboko frena wonfa ubusa na onhyeda amawo explanation papa bia eye den pa ene ekoso ene me wo asofo mami enu ha no sofo Sandra Talata Ameza uzene de mabodi ni uza shoke corona na mama kan crofo di papa enti ene sofo Sandra o ha no mo en sofo mami Jean Anderson ono so last Saturday na see yeko sofu koko wedding sofu koko oya wedding sofu koko ni birthday party ni 50th birthday kayeko na sofu mami se me ntwen no me ni gina ho no sofu mami oni ni kunsa na omotie bibi to a omoma ombeka choso ombeba omoma oni ni kunyina suban ba akwo wo mo me ka sofu Anderson Peace Home Chapel whatever bibi to wa oma saa na otie saa so na yire nso tie ombebo ano ma idru ha no ma hyeda ise de omo ne wa yaka na fa ye din se omo bebe ho je se wankasa to nsafre omo enti saa na omo tie enti pa cho sofu koko ni sofu mame me ma ne how me de na wonim se na me sister Maya nso ono so to ne bedin enti me na me programs mi enu yes baby amikodi ye no na afi na the intwamu part no became very difficult for me tinebana but I've wished you makrokro woti TV so ni radio so to sof mame ti wanim yenko yeni ba sof mame Jean de ni subaya no Sandra so saa no so ti yenko yeni all right mpam cho me mama kwa ba obi aho ye dem the radiasi but me sha see free Addis Ababa Adisa na what is saying the radiasi Adisa mami musa mema de na mema lose interest in women fa phone to ni nkasa okay yeah live on Facebook said you no we are live on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM pomode ya say obe send a message and what transfer so ahwe fra unu abi so omo Ghana na abochire nyina na omo hwe bi na bebo omo pa a lot of people omo ko nu gya won ho omo eyere nu dwane gya omo ene ade na ye be hu reasons no because me wo omo a omo nya omo dwane gya binum ewa ha and I'm will be no so omo dwane lost and found for enyina wa ha nti ene no ye be discuss the person na ye live on YouTube as well. Yeah, live on YouTube and so nti pacho obetimi so ahwe no YouTube we hwe ni nyina na okoma etimi ato ye we send no comment so we'll read it for you na chese ni nyina pacho share Facebook no ni ade pacho share na ubia so intimi ihu say yetna say every Tuesday nene ye hwe de ma lose interest in their women especially omo choose omo so omo ware emprancho de oni obi kwatwe empranya by force say o ware no to ni etwe empra keke na hwe ni obi ne ko ya wadwane agya no ani adwane ntam but ye hwe say obu ha no ye ne yire ho ne tedem na wadwane agya no de ne be ma na adwane agya wo ba no de ne be ma na tu agya no obu hu obi no akọ hide down wo ba bi foforo no watu obi so anu ahye da de na adwuma ye care of first okọ ana ko ba 2 weeks afi no ye ne 1 month bo anu ye ne 6 weeks afi be wi eche na afi o makora na afi oba no aka no si hanom ebinum so sa abrochefo de ye nka obroche de be mo so ba okodi ho timi ka che ne yire ya na ne kun se pe obi foforo na minya me pepa Adisa yeah, sure.
one will be on him, and in a worry, no. Now, as time goes on, Monsini Panis is some work bread, and you think, say, that is eating you up. Obi Owa on Pesse Obeja Wariano, but to separate himself.
Man be to now also separating.
That is what people believe. See, my year to a point, no. And ye, meaning crop me, Chelsea, a man be a while, who from Crow or more ferry for any man. Omonko, until I yarn or brain as a or bush your phone, so I never be a friend. To send me the our jay in you.
But yes, why yarn or near my best, I know by ya. A bear warranty, say, bear my bit me a 2 jano. Ebia
1. Obanu Fanichi 2. Obanu for Boomano.
Or Fanichi, no, yes, say, or your bearman is or chimpana.
Or Bawari for chimpana. Because Ebia, Nukununa ye binti. Onoso, any yenina, Yanko Jume, Yanko Didra. Now I tears him. A binsu or wire. Na bema obani nyebuafo hono chirim ma ti se sasam de bema bia pe
se uta kapa
bema bia pe obebua no se nyankopon se obaye se so buafo
ti den obaye che se wo bua
fine ebia sika asem se ebia mi osika kakra mi se 81st no ebia mejuma ayeyi kakra nti sika kakra ho no ye manage no ba ntimi manage no ebeba no na wa ye ni bisi basa aduane chesi okay we ni ho nti afedie se niam akura na obesia little support bi ho okay saadia maminto nchini oba bi betranse etwa se sika ba nti nchini kura want to be bidie want to be
Yes, it's a mouth to jam.
Bidie want to be. One, inti, Usha, one thing leads to another.
As a boy, I just own Yejuma.
Obano, Yejuma, when you saw Bani Yejuma, Wisika.
As one wow.
Wow.
Okay. Then maybe, sir, and maybe was a member Muti. I do see a phone lines. I'm on one. Your member, and ma or wow, yet Juma, so we decided on Papa. Member Efo, Ufra, Tieni, Ufra, enough way, man, uncle.
If we do pass him,
I just say, and no, and as I knew, man, Kahua,
San Mamma, Oba, Yenina, Yawo, yes, so famo. Bibia just a beman, daddy. Na, hey, such a water naso. Jason Colano, or Momosi pure water naso, Jason Colano. Papa Niwa. Uye Juma, yes, Unye Juma. That is near ye, Mema Yanu. So the opposite said, Yonya Juma. I just obey. No, is a midi free waba. Inti, who was Kana Umbuamia. And yes, sir, and ya dear, menu bet me at Ramana ye. Obinso Hoya Kojofu, Reverend. Also, best ye Juma, Fanukoshi Jumamu. Na crocro no dead na obewie. Wo de ko bie shop man. Oh, obetumo na odi be han. Obefa we chi de han obi. Ana de ama obi ye Juma wum. Na obetra fie. Wo hye ne dwa obehi sika no.
Ah, sika no hye ne say all this crazy ni ade to man.
O de bi enu ani say. Wo hye ne dwa no. Ebia o enye o hwe so yiye. On hwe so on yinani enhwe adwuma na oye o ma ne nkwa adwuma no ho se ne mfefo epresio on beye ya on beboa fia na se on beye onu de o mekuna enye a odi bibeba manfa nkokora odi bibeba na wa yinani sa on kenten ne ho enye bibia mfa mboa
obo ko abeko no abo
wabukura no da ho no miamia phone na twaye selfie ba ku ikura so for mama ba ku ya amutwa no ne din de say ba ku ya amutwa mo ho ye fefefe no oh
smart chat
smart chat
ananya smart
chat no
smart chat
say yes no mo friend
smart I mean when you agake also bad the way
man bizarre
no we just na we go social media okay
ba ku
we na many abreche I just about me go social ono say smart chat me say smart chat ono say smart chat
I don't mean so for mama born say smart chat
snap
snap na mo
one so no mo kono na enim di adisa Yeah,
ni asofo mami kan ye no na oti ho na mo twa okrom na kiki wan we kiki afa na atunu eyi na ohwe we on Facebook na we ya se obebe fie kura otimi no aduane madua enso hye kura ono ehye otimi no nso hye manishi
na so otimi yi nani sa
oyi nani sa nkola no pampers ebo mo kura aye yi kura no na ni wure fisi ono anima otimi di ni man na mkwan ho kura na ni wure fi na waja yetika mo obe wonse nkola bi ni na omo awufo na mo na waja nko hey
asa no se we akola abone
utu betre nkola be gumani ombegu ene nkola ni eyi wotu adi enti niama nkitinkiti ena mema bi so wa
se mema wotu jano
ensese but no how say yesin so taponchenia
oje wo
if you live with no option.
All right, so my mission Snapchat see how they did yaba there be someone am ko nti mo boy anya me mama so what I say yeah but yeah show and esasem no ya prevalent dodo ma bibri na saying mama cho ne ma sisi e komo mema omo ne omo yere no mo na komo mema omutu ja won yere no na omo girlfriends nye normal girlfriend this obi one no atena one na tia obo bedu bebi na be ma na to eja no na e obi so ha on person ne beda na die hu pa ye omo ma ware no na yire o ne message obi wa waye ne wedding obi to eja wo engagement obi to eja wo hwa enioma ben sa na de ba Sandra me ba why
rev me da si nyamisha who so efe
da se ja wona mi share yanko
Addis Ababa say Snapchat but I'm correcting answer yakos
yako I was correct
snap
ne omuno ne bi no
baby chemi na snap
yeah is that if I tell me time is why yeah no na dey social media nonsense yeah ko yani
oh my god me chemi kum Bishop Alfred Anderson Bishop Chapel International and my story my wauti enso nyame show papa Bishop na me ka bibi say marriage comes with responsibility. Relationship also comes with responsibility. And who can be so beautiful nipa no say cohabitation. It also comes with a responsibility. And to say nipa na oni ekwakwot na we hu ne sefata nipa onenity let's say oba na say be ma ye kanu vice versa into that me yen say nipa onene
etu anamoni mu
onene etu anamoni ma or feel say there is no need so obetna ho e waste ne time again obi wo ha wo ka say onene yiri an onene kun enda biu ebia na nia esefata se be ma na so oba ye ma okunuma sa edew ne
everybody discussing and saying therefore no ne hwe de enti omutu da omo
be a personal now say home responsibilities be as say oba na say bema eye wo fi na sedi na say na hwede say bema e be a oyi chop money and say all hwema emofra aye ne say wo mo ye all hwema na yiri enso take her position as a wife sanya mani nyina onye wo fi enti nipa no hwe sanya bed na ba beto ono nko anso a then of feel say ene mami kwami entina for a while onu kwan be ne niama na afi or ignore the other party no be ignore no for a while na afi attend into ne na yenyai anase yen separate for a while na watwe ne ho enti se sanyama na ambe mu a definitely nipa no obeden obekọ nanim e wa brabon be ma bi so ho personally no owo fie o but say wo behwe ma niama akoso wo fie yie say ne mampo be di school fees na this ababa ka so ba bi ti ho ebia obetwe mani ku aba be ma no enchini sika anase emu sika anwa sika ansina wasori akwa konu aduane ewo me ne nya adwene ebia na oba no oni bi ebi so wo adwene ni say wonso wo paale wo de ewo bank nti wonso kakra benya bi na odema oba no ebi kra anso ye ba bi approach mpo se fa bi so sinu kwampo another problem be ma bi wo ho am eno ani so oyi ni nsa pe asem si ya na ne adidem
ade ban
obo mu se ban
ebi da so ho
wo ho pa obi wo ho am ne anger ebe no nebufu ebe no onya ye yade ne ye na hi already next time me be na hi deda and then na ye pine na oba so ntumi ntra me fa na so anase ne suntrem enye ban no ene na obetwe ne ho akwakotena ne baby rev me hwin se sa ne ma no so eka ho ene ma obi etimi free eja ni dofo
no kwasem ne ayana ya se o se de wo kan no obi ni obi betena na da bia aya ho kire obi obai pe bibi oni ko be ma ne fama no na ede bufu ni ade beba na ebi me hwe se oba bi adwuma obe refuse say onyi sika fan support ni ko ana ba me ko so Sandra so na ho te say ma fi wo corona ko na me hu ni papa sisi a ugota iPhone Pro Max mi ti amase si I forget but enye hwe bibi aboko de daddy ni baby ne ho ye all right sorry so ye boko de wo ye online na
master take but me online
okay all right mami musa o ye hwe sasem we ya very prevalent ma bibiri mami mi ko etu eja dodo na omutu omusoro omufere mposo ombeka che obi se ni ko etu eja no ene ade na in your opinion o hwa de enkrofo gina so edi tuja won yire no ene ade
okay
ma etuja won ko no
me se mwaka bibiri but me se me de kakra me de beka ho ne se okay generally no senior of mamijan kan no a ban relationship whether marriage and say cohabitation whatsoever no it's a responsibility for both parties na nanse yankasa no the way we are say akoye no ama I say people are financially okay mami fair no to nchen but me feel say first of all ma bebre o they don't take care of themselves
somebody
ma bebre o they don't take care of themselves. Yeah, and my baby or what they don't take care of themselves. Or baby or honomwa sebi. Se onini kunkra ebeda krampono. Neho on CSC no ye. Also, you mentioned something like that. Obi or honoma infections, those kind of things. I say on fan na dream koho CSC no senia say oye den oye. And the exactly. And even apart from honokrano, I mean obadie say unisi kampua. There are some your friend is saying deodorants beer, roll-on CBR, you can just use even without putting on perfume. And you know, with 3 months, so sometimes me during the lockdown say me pay shampoo ni conditioner beer, me ankasa me washi me ti wo fie. Me wi na me ankasa ma so abon 1 2 3 4. Na ma she
lockdown dey ma dress
yeah,
the mama ni do no mo prison on be pm say hey you ma ye hu o dey ma dey
when we see all of these things no eka ho until you can see say lockdown no cry no I was hearing a lot especially outside the country say there were some you know abuse in the home because I said most of them no they have not really got the chance to live like this for a very long time. It is a see no they are getting to discover each other. It you know when is a relationship you now get to discover each other.
They've not gotten the chance to live like that.
Some of them.
But some of the everybody there be
exactly.
Because uko squad yama wawade yama vacation. That way yenina adwuma na vacation so obi anko them.
Yeah.
Now uku ni boxing. And a member no bebre so lost their jobs during that period.
Yeah.
It's a bit so high. It came with a lot of we say.
But
pressure.
I think say even before that, I don't really want to limit it to the spiritual because
of course
spiritual and also whole
because spiritual and the only and go be abeka
spiritual. When senya usiesie utrim.
This is what say. Yenya bas spiritual so be abeka say so hu say abusa say na mekan. Because me asem no kura best say procrastination ni nyina ya spiritual. Maybe
me nya the spiritual crowd because it is something that is really happening. mehu ena baby a mejina nti no I know say people bring complaints and all utimi who say enya spiritual it is something that some women are not doing and today I was telling a habit eti nitiri hu esiesie kra no is a problem and I mean
no me
say no me wo ho no na over inside no
what is wo
that's the bra
pure when you break the bra sa bra na o de be go hit efe I had the friend bodies wo pure to mema boxes mema supporter atete
oze embema no sukra no ebimu.
But do you think that these are there reasons enough for a man to leave home? Are there reasons enough for a woman to leave?
I'm coming to that.
Sir, we hear bodies at it.
Mommy,
this is a lazy husband. Maybe anyone we hear it. Nipioto at it. Only score the Toby house. I don't imagine.
Debbie, and yes, you will need be what be what to be a man about. Ebi okoto ensu no mami kan we guy bi koto papa bi koto drugs ma
ukoto brand ya bra we hira uhu obi oto oranges and I say obi oto watermelon depending on the uhu no wa peja ba ko o yire size na de akoma no se me yire ni size ni mami what to be a man oto onje
mami fa we ntwem so for me no papa bi to be man yire sa oto deze mienu na oba ni bi sense na ade na what the same color so bi be kasi mini panties and you see the assembly
I think say
but this about some question na kware no start obi ben no be ka say
mami ni neka Mamini na bisa na eka chelu.
I think say a do time be a partners no so ebi mu ye very violent. Oba bi wo ho a mimi mo ba bi a otumi ebo ni kunasum. Obo ni kunasum ma ni kun efifie. On say be ma de sometimes when there is misplaced responsibility. When there is misplaced responsibility etumi esi. Well, misplaced responsibility where obano say or respecting the kunu na obema no so say odo na yire no enti na say afedie those responsibilities are not being met enti oba bi wo hono ma de ni kun beka bia na oka bi de ni fiancé beka bia na oka bi like obo onim ena mimi ni moba wa boni kuna sumpa bo na summa bema no we tu efifie eni obi akwa asan so enti afedie akwakoye bibie wo na obonasum that's the issue and some do that ebimu emma be a very violent in such a way so obetimi kra fade e de abobe ma no omo worry yempo ebufuo entokwa and embema no so no you know and vice versa it happens on both sides enti abuse no and so those are some of the things eka ho pa na saying minim say economy ni na amankofo ase afufa nkofo tima people are really frustrated, depressed and oppressed and you know depression and suppressed and perplexed
but who says depression it doesn't happen in Ghana.
It happens
no I'm not saying say they don't know
but it's not
how depression what be say free move there be na one never just you will be depressed you be repressed and you be suppressed you be oppressed because of your view I say unza brochena she's depressed
no more
depression
it's true
also be in a so obi
kura brunsa
obi kura nam no okuta chance no bomu di obi say depressed na so yen ha no yen to ni
oba ni beji chop money
odi hammer boni baso
odi bro oba na antinim se ne ba
odi bo ha tim
of latin or
say one man call 5 buy chop money 5 cedis so
frustration
serious carpenter
I thought maybe we am for mood that bring say nipa be issues yen show obi asend me message say Ghana had we don't even see it much na broche dey ho but ose abroche de ne de e ma na ne pamo mema no njo mo pamo mema ni mo musi abonti ana fo mpese mema ne ba e mema no so se da bi me ma na kwasan so bufu a so wasan so apamo me bi nti ose abroche de hopa na bia na Ghana ha no mo na mema na decide say hey yen konya oba bia na betima wa na kosi ase but ye hwe say o yire de mo boso yi say bia oba bia abuniku intensi ma bibre ma o ma beka mo se ma kire mi obi ani ho a wabuniku
obi didi na atem
ti o twa na paketu e bi na so utuja na na ana se oba ni pioto ya ese so utuja na na me feel say some amoka na nche da anya nsem bia real good enough strong.
Those are the petty things as well. And cause confusion.
Don't you feel say Mebo, don't you guys feel say of late it seems that people do not marry for the right reasons.
Exactly.
Sandra,
and because Ceciano, the young people, and then me preaching can make us some way was sorry pa say right now young people are bad. Those times you complete school, get something to do, and then you get a wife. But today it's not like that. Obehu akraketwa in his or her teens. Na nenia brepa. Some of them are cohabitating. Some of them, they feel that youthful exuberance thing. I say they are just attached for the wrong reasons.
Companionship.
Exactly. They at that young age they feel lonely, and it's probably because they don't really have that parental care, and nobody is guiding them through. And so ubehuana they are either cohabitating or and collaborating. Their parents are doing everything okay for them, but they still they just want to go at like they want to feel like
Bible so say obi anya na yire
yeah, but it's at the right time.
Now I decide to marry early. Do you feel say a problem? A problem so obi be warrant them.
A problem because maturity
a problem so obi be warrant them.
I don't
because and then 23s are getting married, 22s are getting married, 24s, 25s near there. They just came from SS straight to uni. Owie university awonye adwuma bia no. The next thing on her mind, and I say his mind, your marriage. Ube hu ana nipa no. Na bia 24, 23, 25 kra. Do you feel say aya na a man no titru? Omo ye matured enough. Are they ready for the marriage thing? Do they even understand it? Coming from mo amoya so 43. Do you feel say my aban omo ti aware asese omo kwa aware
me da say make say obi wo ho a entity ama ne nyini entity ama wa ye matured me worry at the age of 23 yes beautiful. Me go school in 10 into me worry 23 me wona me other courses me other causes, but maturity ni na wo ho metinya me kwa koye ase irrespective of me background way as a counselor no me na metinya ma bi meti ase say me responsibility yes
worry na your counselor
trained by PPH
is certified
health
counselor okay
planned parenting
family planning
yes
omo ton sisi cream ni ke wa jelly
health issues ni ade nti I knew I have a responsibility towards where I am going into me kwa ware mu dia I'm not only catering for myself
but worry at that early stage. What do you think are some of the problems here? And don't come and tell me say you didn't face
I will
anything.
tell you everything.
Because I am my baby move fake.
I will tell you everything.
And then what are some of the challenges? Well, because you see some. I am me feel say omo better TV so no. I they are too premium proper. Omo move fake do. It's your mama dey to say oh I got married early and God be so good. I've never fought with my husband. I've never oh yeah, it happens. I am you are not so sure no. Also warena or start say be only kunya challenges kakre was meja ware. Because of say so for me Jan so only kunya problem. What are some of the challenges you faced being married early?
Rev, for me personally for me God be my witness. Now I thought Michelle me right partner. Michelle Obia or me a Bishop Alfred Cobnatiri Anderson. I
now some make me guys so wrong part.
Never hope.
Forget it now.
We share right partner so a problem.
And you're right or wrong.
A problem.
The person say
I met somebody. I met a lover, I met a friend, I met a brother, and I found everything in him. My challenge was obi ananko pese obetwitwa me name kakra.
No, they not you. But so ku no e virgin. Una o break in.
Oh.
It we are make cancel so. Because me person me man kwan wan kan san papa neati. No be say that the kwanantina baby I am bian ya dwesi e be dia. Na ka de minimum.
Na twinyanim da ho se ye monche.
And ye boy nimu no. Na ja nchenchen na ne nam no.
Na me ka just say me a show stopper me ko to na in fact me stop virginity level.
Anti wo de ye hwe. Ye me busa say eti wo worry ye.
Emani
international stopper.
Yes.
So mama.
Emi e de odo bo mu ba hwe na eno pay ye me challenge.
E de ade.
Eye obi ebe crossing my relationship
no pe ukun
na ope mi kun until she wanted to do everything or the best separating
enye something coming from a third party me come one kasa
mami wure mu enti ehọ no se ebia me young ma worry mi kun ka se ebia me ko haba me ba and I say me hwa de wa haba my thought was like hey
jealousy.
Oh, quiet then. And to
my time, no, you be that.
Say me sure there be. Say, and my doors were sorry.
And announce why you be. Now, so, coffee.
Me come actually me worry my bed and then the jam me church. Now, so me go take you over. Take over. Me take you over. Now, only one day, I'm see Medinach. Medinach you.
No, quite.
And I'm also over. And I'm see Medinach. And you or quite I'm me fat taxi. Edi ne car nechi. And see me kayu kuku me has I could see
Adisa. Kawanu tu na ware. Kawanu tu na ware. Ni eti answer. Yanko.
I go see baby na taxi I say madam na why na wudi nechi na msio. Me kun waka anim. No say ne we si ko diner ho na msi ya ndie wudi atwan me ba. And I me bomb me see and I me think a crank Sena a game shop. Baby and Colani a board game. Na say board game. Sa no mid game pad bar wait Hannah wait PS no.
Now Bishop on Saturday confused. I'm we free fee. Eja ni yiri ho e koye betting so fo any betting any betting
anya ho ya ni dia no e na danfo
no kobo game
wo musuo na
omo eja nyame asem fa eja ba
we abosi ehwe ho wo so abosi ehwe ho na we ehwe mi si eh wonderful
e dey ehwe ho
game no so we actually football game we actually no eh problem e hope na me call them say kokoko and a man say hey so for yire aba ha o and I'm see auntie on China ya or see oba no ho man bi sa me said ada oba ni nchen ya se bi oba ye ne eya na back ana and I medi echi aba ha no say me ma kwan e ma me ku free fie bet na game as come on game bet na se me ni man ni nya problem Emma make a come imagine a train. And in fact, me sack was Mrs. Oyni uncle. Oh, seriously.
One of the things by
before for some time.
One of the main challenges I am who say young people through. Worry on what face yeah. The very young ones, they say 23, 22. No, the boo honma. Say to me a counselor. Having been through a nyoma nipa after money nyoma yehu and comfort some yatin. I say if you're a young girl na when sisu kakra. Omo wari bia. Na you almost said they've been camped at home.
Exactly.
Because of course madie oba waria and just bema waria so ne na ba kusi abonten. But bema de oba ne de wakafie. Enti aya na ebinum ho no ma omo problem no say I ask me worry in terms do so I don't seem to know anything. Enti I say the whole life ni nyina anti akwala no o make decisions to say penny oye bibia to say penny so feed ni ko so hwe nkwala ene ade obi kura ho a onim se de ekodi dwa onim se de ehye da hwe fie onim se de esuru dwadie na esuru dwadie enye se wo kototo wo ko akwan chen ene ade but wo hye da akodi dwa akosiesie wo hu say you need a fridge, you need a way, you need blah 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 ene sa anyoma ni nyina no aya na it becomes a problem. Enti ebi no ho no ma ebedru ba ebi no say I didn't cry now. I said, I get to my penny, my breast. Oh no, and only the main problem. No, I know. Until Umuso bu ana preocupe na our friend Adom Fubi, and ye bema, but Adom for baby or pesa wa ware, but still when you ain't pesa or Adom Fubi or nino, it didn't come because when you become a mother and now a wife at a very young age now, almost a preocupe, you take on the responsibility of a mother. It's even who grass and so dane. Why oba? And now you are making just oba sabi onim nyansa. And who make a decision with the whole house. And yes, I never been no more I say me call I ask me pay me ask me start in term do. And if a bedroom baby na be our bre. Be maybe so a member no so mo warrant term. Ono so be what 24, 25, 26. Or whatever na ye ni say I said as warrant term. What do you think, Sandra?
I actually think that especially but what I want to say marriage has really nothing to do with age. I think that maturity is the most important thing because akolebi or you 18 years or bow but or you so matured ebimuso or ya titiomo like ya chomo aware. I believe that aware a do time be a secretary in as much as nyansa
na say tre han ni o ma ye nyina ya aware na ye kire but the maturity thing ni age anything
is innate
that be I quite it differs in the sense say age is age. Obia does what the age requires.
Okay.
Where you're suffering. But you dress according to your age.
Exactly.
You don't dress because where you're suffering.
Yeah.
You do things according to your age.
Exactly.
It is any part of your maturity and son and the age bit also will be playing the part. It's a young girl and a worry. Or Nemami won't tempt you on no but still or you're still young girl. It's obeche fie, but still none any age na say enka o pesenka o nani kakra. I don't know whether
especially a man na omo worry in term no most times omo worry say ebia or worry or bema when you say no crowd won't say age sometimes it counts and a maturity no ben maybe wa ebia wenyi we do level be a wa yen your ma bebria we jaya afi de wa calm me down then you go in for a younger lady now afiansa or no so person or explore kakwa but you the man you are now calm pe epie to say first no and vice versa. It can happen like that. Or baby so when you crash in the kun. And na be a time and the kun person have fun no. So time no on the sa mother nisa our real wife thing no. Abani munti on the or feel say we need to be in the house. We need to do this. We need to do that. But the other person will be an outgoing person. It's also to make confusion.
And
then I think to say marriage is learned from the home. Seriously, seriously, example. What mom and dad does in the house. Mommy caters for the home, mommy caters for daddy, mommy does that, and she admires mommy so much what mommy does to keep the home or admires you. Oh, our sense ni wonu say I will also get married one day, and definitely I have to implement in the new era makwakotomu no inti nkakranka no osua and dishwashing no who say mommy ye aduane who say mommy serve daddy who nyama bia ekoso who say daddy so is doing his part in the home inti right from onset we hu nya akoso e wo fie but you abofra bi wo ho abontina ote and obakoya ba na se duane ya no ewie empampo onim se nya yeto empa e wo fie and
they make mo ya pejama sem na abstract. I am not saying say aware no say nipa no nim ana wonim I'm talking about seni pana our young people no more. The entire na ebi no adwane agya onku no.
Finance is a major problem.
Finance wo ba mama nche obibi about we na make am. Ye Ghana ha. Ye ma wie JSS oko SS omo wie SS no dodo na obewie na na bia o padwuma obo okro start chirompo ansa na wa start omo nso aso de wanko university nso no owie SS na e bia oye se adesua ade pam bi na osua o se tie bia oye nyina sa be nyina na opeku I don't know whether I get my point. The person just said the meantime part no they didn't get it. I don't know whether I get my point. A lot of people do not get the me time. Or no can nyak break a crack. Engine because on engineering and but to live independently. Why you are going kakra with me a PA public places near there. Or because of we school now. Bear my chain warren and say Yamana don't say moke. Now ko maybe on your outgoing type now. What a few Ubu on my hair. 7 years non otifie etu buso bem oba no na adwenya ne se me ware obey wa mama hair stack sanso ne wo ma bi so hon mo no so ware ni wi a o ma o kwan ma wo so nko chinchin san nko no onamfofo eno so tina bema ni mema ni bi ho be ware be wi no na still no person keep it to the friends no o person keep it to ne outgoing behaviors na aha eti afa obe wi a kire no na the problem baby about to feel say as a higher chichire me and the marriage becomes like a jail cell to him or her. It's obi one more say we shall so that bit na make and say whether the person is good at marrying or not. E ma bebre one ma woni meduane ye woni mfia ye woni bibia ye woni sade ye fie ne ade nyina but she misses being taken out.
It's true.
Because who said she didn't get that part. No, obi won kra wonyi no tam wo si so no. Wanya obi kan wanya ma me ne papa bia. Omo de kra be pie kra kwatena ba bi kra so kwa kodidi. Enti wo wie school no ne ade na nka sa bre no. Enti me de me pese me kan say obi ware na obi nyi na oba be ware nka onhwe ho no ansa. Na listen ka you young girl. Tina se kakra 3 years faji weni kakra. Not necessarily so debut. Listen. Enjoying your single life, you know. It is so much better. Where a year kakra, a man would say to warrior. No one will say, have been single before, and I am now married. But do no say, yeah, I'm a warrior, no, yeah, marriage.
Yeah, need to say, our young man, I say, Udru and Fiebia, and was so worried.
Is the ultimate goal.
And yet, yeah, and yet, what papa, and your watch it. Watch it. As a speed near when I get to this age, I have to marry, I have to get a woman, I have to get a man, I have to tie somebody down. And no normal, I say, Abba, a society, but obi so feel say mama so me enya juma kaka obi so be ka say se me ne ma nware ntem wa hwe akrofo be use me dodo
Adisa, what do you think man sana be ba mama kan me kaka Adom Kojo tete was good evening, I'm watching you live from Ashaman, okay, and achwe Naomi or say chwe Naomi or say may or say good may God bless your lovely mother, good work, of course. We say unedited, and Chweme Prince also watching you live from Dubai, okay, and Joshua Ishon or say good evening, I'm watching you live from Mauritania, okay. And Mary Amaya, I say hello Rev, watching you live from Missouri, US. Was a nice program, okay. Mary Nyamicha, Becky Blinks, I say listening live, and Nana Ejikuma, okay. I say watching you live from New Jersey, New Jersey, and Anna Apiedu Menu or say hello, good evening, Rev. I'm watching you live from Holland. A nice program. God bless you all. God bless you, darling. And Mame Arema Adi or saying, Pacho, my Munti Mbesamuti, my favorite program. Okay, God bless you. And Memuna Mohammed was one of the best programs ever. God bless you. God bless you, darling. Mame Yafusu, I see great women of God. God bless you. God bless you. Pakwisi Bimpon, I say great woman of God. Hello, my darling. And Samira, I say hello. Eddie Howard, I say I'm connected. Great woman of God. Yes, Mama Sandra, oh baby Echia Hanamo. And Abel Anna, or say Mama Sandra, good evening. And Nana Araba Brooks, or say connected to learn, okay. And Chantel Nana Sapon, say God bless you, Rev. And Florence in Triwa. I say good evening, Rev. I always love the topic you discuss on your program. God bless you guys. God bless you too. Abel Anaba, I say Rev Sandra, Anna Chantel Nana Sapon, I say we are watching you. Rev Sandra Telata Ameza, okay. And Kalala man, I say Kalala man, I'm watching you live from Kumasi. Diase new site, okay. And yeah, and some a lot of men these days are running from their betrothed, their wives, their women they are cohabiting with. As also a man be suja honum, but the prevalent rate now a man they know more than a man they more than a man. I wanna hear say what is really happening. At the end, Cosuntina Hamas is here and I say, Binum Janieja, Ibinum El Honomosa. Adisa, Kakrana Femina Kwana me phone lines.
Na
Kasa.
Meno.
I don't really feel the entire theater.
There be mirror fear. Now me can see the other bizarre question Bintina meet you first. Meno. Asem na okay no a wombat in another sense no. With Niamime Hunu, minimum omo di 35-40 years kura. Omo bobrana man edaso omeniso. Untimi come debi na me bo me brother do. Nia wo nimu no. Sometimes yes, what you said is very correct. In fact, but empenifo no se me nim see omo di dinesa na di ku ana omo person mo fa nesa fan ku menim. Yes, sometimes too I think say ya wo form boaye e mani bebre na me meka nesa nia oni so for mama mo kan nyina e wo ba wo for bebre na mboa so for mama kan other bonti. The mother doesn't care whereabouts of the child, what she does, what she is. Ene oba fie na obedidia titru ma me peti me kwa titru omo nsam wo bi sei ma no omo nim omo pant kura omo nsida omo nim duani no si nanu nana ma toast bread ma me kura na ye me won wow, very nice. Bebre na nim ombe nyini o na medie ntimi nya o yo na medie ma bro na medie ma be ma bia person taste
ne yire aduane.
Yes,
ti so ba ne no aduane ne nti obetu agyan debia excuse na medie ntimi nya na enu ntimi nya sa eniama na so ntimi
it's like
so ofele say ontimi many obai betna consider ben
debia na enye bot one obi na ebe nu na me kojiwa haba me kojiwa me vie o debia na me come me hongo didie debi wow. So these are the things obi so wa na me die onim dem siesie reverend onim dem siesie aziesie onu ankasa ne hokura ho hye ebekpa afa ni best no ba wa obe hu sa akpa afa. You are married, at least. I want, yes, you are okay, but Mimi Shatare Nenya, you have a year to at least correct me. So, say, on one gas, I need any one or can you see, be my beer dress in a bachelor bakwa, wawari. That is it. And then I'm mommy for being so cassie. The woman,
but a man,
yankasi tomano enye tone na mo kan Debbie asema reverend mo kan one fiafi Debbie asema ye kan Debbie
Sandra anya no frɛ mame ka kyerɛ wo ware nchentia the truth of the matter ne say oba papa bia so ku shatade bia wo tai shatade bia enye shirt bia no ayi I say krama aso na say Debbie odi gu anya wo na wusi because when I wusi to time na obeba na dey paper fridge where you for dey gu anoma no that's the whole thing where you for dey gu honomo obusa o say na me dey paper fridge papa ye basa do pacho use way e ma obeka say this na dey odi paper fridge no ana obu honomo hwe obu dey difficult no oba for seasons na odi atwa de no wa twa na so ma ko afiri hono obu say ba ni bu be odi cho and so obese papa dey make am tell say e say dey oga say uku dey dey ka free fie a ohoro hu nti o ye difficult nti ohun say uku dey dey ka free fie na wa ohoro hu no dey si abonti obi a wo na ye be ye
ampa
wo he me hu oba bi kam me hu oba bi ne dem me hu oba ha me ba wo hu ni ku pe no ehu oba ne suban wo ba bi ho ha wo be dress chepe ni ku nyenye ni ku atade bi anye yes enti ano kire so oba ne nya papa enti dey andi za baba e true
That me catching is all come.
Oh, dear. That's some na can wa ho. And yes, you can say more. Oh, no. It's not about money. We are talking about money. We're talking about how to groom a man. How to brand a man.
Man is so making sure say the unison is also living well.
Yes, that living well is if it's about money, the money is
making sure say
so mommy, let's not argue about this one.
Right, we are not arguing.
That change.
So Kasa said yes, I was so
mommy change this time. One year way to do. So mommy nyabotre. Oh Kasa o de money can di.
Baby o ka kon me pese hon so ka.
Ada wo wana. So baba na.
Me balance no.
Me pa cho she.
Yeah, can vice versa.
So mommy change. So mommy Jean. Me pacho, me pay me programs. Listen. There's been a lot of complaints of late. Listen, we are mature people. Metias here, money making a submission. Also make your submission, but I don't want the interjections, sir. Or can I say there because this time for bed the last 3 times there be any argue. Na say ni ebusa me hwan sampacho. Yen say ya, wo de mane kan de na de ne nto asoma no obi anim say obe kan sama edo ebe wo. Na wa kan wo de. But the truth of the matter is say e oba de efie de. Ti na nyame de share wo ba nsa no. Be ma ne ye head keke. But obana ehwefie enti o ka say wo na me bo Brazil
me kan bibi enso so na nsemu me kan no creo me be ye busy kakwa enti na my master bedroom
was so busy
pa enne fiti ano fa me gina me nice sa me wie counseling ni aduansa na me bedu a ebedu time bi na say me master bedroom washroom me ntumi nya adaje clean ni ho ena ehon so de obi enra ho enti de me hu ye ne say na afi de me kun ti o wankasa o he didn't complain but he started moving to the guest bathroom to take his bath.
So why basado?
Why you basa? Enti what happened was na me so mbisa no I noticed say it was because say me cleaning honinti. Enti me so nya adaje I took time off to do that work. Enti afide me hu say he has now started taking his bath. You see, I understand the fact say embema no because apart from that say na of Mami Jean can say be say now who takes care of the women. Well say the thing is very dicey. The point is na o kaka asem me oba sofo me to me sorry na me twitwi me car etwitwi me kun de e wo fie. I'm not saying this to say bia me who say na missing can
so bia anye
say yes but who say naturally no and ben maybe wo hwa there are some things they are very good at and some other things they are not good at and some of the things now they are not good at no as a woman one can say because of say eye car eye bema ejuma there are times and me there are some things sometimes me Facebook live he will take care of the children for hours and so a car he won't clean it. Mr. Tisse may ye can man we who say I always want his car to look neat. There are times or no abetu washing bay wash because he wants
with the car thing. Men fan show
Debbie
because mama show a man to send kwala. The other best no naka. Last time a Kobe Stone I was saying now on sister ni on no bekon ha no say or say now if you know say won't be nyan to aso a dey na say but the truth is say be man won kan kire say won kotwitwi ne ka ho won kan kire say won fan kotwitwi ho but woman ya aware I don't know they make count say so new man ye mema dey no you man ya aware bi wa me say metima ka kire say papa enti wa dey we ni say wo say di pa na ni ewu he will do it. But you what you so ja uja na wonko awaya. Obedu baby obebre. Because oba untimi nye wo emejuma. Ensa me ejuma nka ho. But at least make him aware because ye me ense ete ye nyine di ho fo. Ye mama no ye ntrenium tse de tre ye mama.
It's true.
Eno so nti be ma be kwa wadem dodo no no muni mu hwe. But it is a wo wase de say you conscientize him because uja na obeja ne ho sa ade akọ. But who ye can't catch no name mumu in saying that my feel say then I have to me chere me kwa there so no so chere ma there and I say me boy there so boy and I saw boy me there say me so I don't they make counter it shouldn't be rivalry but you have to tell
me point in say it shouldn't be something continuous. It is not something amitaye.
It is not something
you also be busy doing something very important that is for both of you. Enti yes Hannah say adaji no wa I think say as a woman you can also good. That's what I think. But something continues.
Waka asema de bi osasem na meka no me nsibu asem ba kupe na meka ya ya me pese me kan say emema enenim nianti a oware obabi only men know why this particular woman and no not the woman. Inti say the reason audio uba no yes the reason inti audio uba no we are to a point and if you are not delivering no but won say bia need a who na say
a woman is a maid.
No you can take it fine. You can take it, but that is I know the reason. Okay, I brought oh let me finish. I brought a woman in the house. I brought a woman in the house to help me. Okay, this woman, this woman, she's doing this, she's doing that. Okay, I think how we started, she can help me with this, she can help me with that. Okay, we can do this, we can think together. If we are not thinking together, you are not compromising on that, then it is a problem to a man.
Name mo start here when one kasa koso
see
na de Addis Ababa wo kan
be metua so be man nim nsia
but
odi oba ni be fie. What was your reason? Did you wait do you know you for a life partner, a supporter, a homemaker?
Do you think whether supporter or not you mean maybe I'm in person
lapses no and now all be cater for and I say whatever no but obia worry obia or the obia or ye ne seso boa for ne ebefi wo be boa no wa ye fie enya obia obecha fie na Asha ne kon say
that is what I want you to do for me.
No benjina embefa obi embeye no koye sisters of me twika me yesay me ma wesu me ma haso at the end of the day you want this same woman to cater for you at night wa bre
na cater for you
and oye den and wa send jeja
cater for you
na you say brana bedina ko
any opera and I join them farmer no be
okay you know
wa bro beda
normal
wa bro beda
Meti we asika crack
ya me so meti wa asika crack
obema na worry oba
meda for ene bremo na ka bibi chair me ene ye hwe ye ntia emma because this time I am so prevalent emma bebre dwane ja won yire no ho obu ha Addis Ababa Mummy no adan me pa cho friend me why o dear we fine tina me pe wasem o fe me anu adwum we yi no radio no na me no wajum radio na me akasa fa phone you and ye hwe di enti na be ma bi ebeja na yere ho di enti na oba bi so beja ne ku ho no mo obi ho anu watu aja no akọ ha dan foforo na oja be ma no nko ana na obi se ne kun ja ekoya osisa ya osema behwe medem atre kura raba yi de koy wona ne ma menum nyina na be fa anu ma ye musa se di enti na be ma abasa di enti na be ma be kwa na oba ebeko frame na afi yi ni nkomo hello Patron number is 0302216561 0302216562 Crofo Janija wonku no Crofo Janija won yere no obi sa broche de common pa because abroche de man na pamo mema no me ye hwa hase so e de na be ma be ma bi eja na yere ho e de na be ma be ma bi oba bi eja etu eja niku obo okra betene ese we sidan okọ eja ho yes frame number no 0302216561 216 na fe yen twetwe enkomo ansa na ye beko no ma memra ha na fe musa fe monto montokwa no so ansa na obi aba no kwasem ewo mu no se me I believe say de mo kan bebre no oba enini ho ya enye nipa bi no na yeti hello
Mami good.
Yes, darling.
Abi o mu say our ready say yes love is blind.
But you are saying?
Yes, I'm akwasi bobo.
You akwasi fefe.
Akwasi fefe abelempe.
All right, akwasi miti.
So do obi a. Nze me worry me. O say ye tete no nkwan no ye. O no nkwan ye but me too ye. Me try say me who be ko do obi stu go to friends bra. Mami we stu. Say. Ekoyi. But sir, nti se mami go de nkuma koto wo wele wo we ya me se bra no nkyerɛ me yere so mfere.
Okay.
Nti ye de me saa na de ko. Sa me be ye born again kura de me ase. Me me ye bi together. But akobaze da bi achia na wo ntiase na wo say na me ra yese never be on responsibility do jere na yere.
Them on responsibility.
Ah, na wo jana ja yere say.
O jana ja yere say.
Obra
me ba mpa mami musa na o yere eba na honidi a aya munya na me ne kasa wie. Hello me ba mpa pa cho force na kasa fin
me pa cho e ma chief taxi driver papa me woni utafo
yo taxi driver ba ko pe ne wo wi ase yan kasa why me ba mpa mami ti o
aya tete na ya man tete wo fie no do wo hawa no ku abonten se wo ma no ko no bi no so mu kuawa na ye se na be wo be fie na ye ne den e so be fie no bo ntoko ba bi hia no e bi wo be fie aduane bi ensi ho
me ba mpa mami muso ade o ko hia abonten na obi so ni mu kuan se obi one ne bo nkomo ana mpra twa asem na wo ken
one say only be you abonten no ko no bi e watinya so no ma that to be na se no on TV so wo nti eba ne sana wo ba fie kompokwa na otimu ntene wo ba fie kwa bia ntokwa ba bi hia bia ntokwa ni nti na odi pu abonten e bia ba ko no se bia no koma to no yam kwa so afa na ba be henya asem no
okay so nti na je oba henya asem na so oni oba ka se bi na mu wie na oba no wo ko na oba no frɛ wa na se esese ye to aso ana se no nti oba no ka asem no ana oba na o de asem no twen wa na je se wa henya ni nti se otu jana na
o de de anya se na upie ya no o de kasa me be hia wo no se bia transin patro na me no kasa na asem no ye ntwa so e bia fa on kasa asem no unye pu ya se waba and what move up to wo dem wo ho nti e ba na wo se what's that just shuma and no one no
all right you even pa me da se papa hello yeah oba papa cho first and I got say free
papa cho FM Mrs. Yansen because say free am here
yo Mrs. Yansen pacho mami ti why
oh okay mami me person me bisa say adana of mami o ma Addis Ababa nkasa
oh ne no ntokwa no ne ntokwa
because he was raising a point.
Addis Ababa so be worry man eni ewu.
You have to keep a home clean near the engineers of mami di or auntie ase na me share antenna because
ne padia there be I just say we page asama just say we ne ko Addis Ababa so sa na ye no It we pay na we na ko na we so pay. Sentina judge, chief judge, me minute so what I say. All right.
Your body, say you keep the home neat and you keep the man to fine. As you were saying, you say you who be man na who the kind of woman or worry. It's very true because ujai ukunu basa ni shirt enye ni shoe apa fan ni adia. It speaks about you, the woman too.
But yes, of mama so crazy as him. You also say now oba no so and your man koya who helps her.
Oh, oba dear. You should know your left and your right. And your beman is or catch us so busy about quenchi say or attire.
So quenchi so obey you. It will news idea. I shall be language. Didn't go so everyone say the same thing.
And the end there's of mammy can no cremum, vice versa. I say yes, we correct we know we are correct. You quite say.
We are correct way. Oba Yamisha, what's it? That's say. Fro. Hello. Hello. Hey, over is here.
Hey. Onye ma James ni sentence.
Yo, when ejuma be na eh.
Hey. Me logistic officer.
Okay, you.
One of the service alone.
All right, we thank you. Because over see the radio voice. Mami see.
Okay. Na, ai mami so ai Edio. Mami come there.
Because as of mami for no more in your higher word.
Me dey say. I didn't talk about crime, so what feel ye about, no feel where you are. Now, what the horn, where you do, and then come on.
And then Pabua,
dear, Madam,
if we do, Madam,
sir, me, the cabak, you know, far. Listen, you see a bunch of bottom to bike, and I don't know how I say. Akura over jamwa je say obi afa bia fa na se woni wo so se bia wo pira se wo nyama wo dem me ba ma sabo ko ma betu agu e ke ho ko me sa ma betu agu tete ho nti ba
se o mpe oba oye edem basa basa
nti wo bara so kasa me me kasa wo wo kan ten sa me me kasa ene ta me be hu bia ma to akin ba bia me ntun bia dun ko me tete abonten wo sa ko inside what you say wo me se me ho bedroom home mo nyako tantanta me ho de mo nya ho ma me
sa o se ho na ho ba o mo be hu
enya se ho ba so nya bonten na o mpere ja bonten me ba da bi
mate enti ni o ma sa no ti oba ya wo betimi atu aja no wo betu aja wo yire ho
da bi mi ntu na mi ma ha mi da no wo no betu aja me
Ghana henti abrocha kwa pam wese
me ka se me de mi sa mistake mi nye bi da
sa
even kwa no se me wo mpere kwa bonten mfa sa ma wo me ko me yiri hu fun wo fie da
ba to wo mpana wa bonten de
aha me ka me asam kana me ka
ba wonya bi a wo benya bi wa bonten
e depend o ba no de obeya no ko teta
nya ha na ba chechire ani babu bro hello say obia diverse we say but ye hwe we mema makasa nyina obia ni ho a wakasa obetu agya na yere eti di enti ne ma ebinum de omutu no ebitu ja omo how about loss of love say odono to sofamijan afi na kasa obiwaso hello yeah my sweetheart
good evening
oba papa je first and akasa fin
Pacho me din Jennifer me kata free tema.
Jennifer Pacho bi wa no Jennifer nya voice ni ti bi wa no why
yo me Pacho na me pesa me kan say sometimes me say me worry but me ne be ma esia ya kwaje ehunless ye tutonyema
o ne tren fie sen
me na be 3 years ni
wa na
Acha ma obako.
Onye ho ade.
David.
Ti da be no akwaje list no.
Oh ya kwaje no February no ye go so e to say.
Ti mo kwaje ya na lockdown ne ba.
Acha.
Okay, ti se ni e left am bako akwa. Mato no ma na wi.
Oh ye go so akaka.
All right. Auntie, what question is
oh, if at all, sometimes my mama na kasa ya ni almost ya I almost feel say omunye ya ho ade na ni almost no na ebu na ho anko so mo de man no mo sa ya me ni se no e mo a okwetuma ba kwa me friend na on for obekasa sta obi and ni obeba mu an say me de me jayo
wajade
also like we jai they also we jai me no we jai
auntie o ma no so ni wajai
aha me no we jai there me to some and so ban entire no bobby na if you
no we tu ajaw
no we tu if them we jai me
ntina kwa na so ho
me wo han say no we tu if them no
ba bi bu sa won ti se a o tu yi waba
Oba
da ben Oba da beja mo da won chen
oh Debbie
wa tu waba
bo kwejuma
waba okwa adwuma but e wo ma no we tu ajaw
the first time I why
na I wo ma me no papa ti ase
me pata
e dan no na wa haya na no haya
no high
and now one what tinti woman no asan to ajaw no asan ba
oi
enti okoy no oba okodi how many months and days and
okoy onya me 2 weeks and me onya 2 weeks na papa be me papa friend in the kasai
no asan ba
no say o to so o ti amanfo anu a ni o pese o achieve o na brabo mu no enye ye ma no e no asan na ti e bai
enti hu no say ebe ya ware
oh me want to say e amanfo anu no pese ti
me busa say se a obai one woda obai se a one woda moto aso enna no
yes, you also buy about when I'm say 2 days spend on san e chiko ejuma on my
buy 2 days spend on san e chiko ejuma na do kwa ejuma oda ho
I trailer driver or call a long journey
mame o ya ejuma de
time
ejuma no ekoyi
nyame na Adom kaka
ene pa tro yire ho ya ejuma no wate
pache
na bo ho so wate ne pe shocks bitina so na wan hwe ya shocks so bitima shock you apeje watu adwene na misha me da se ai we anu ana yeke oni obi kotena ewie na nipa ne nya ho ade a chances na ya na 50-50 you risk either getting the guy or otherwise. I feel say you maybe who actually young cousin so family but mama last submission obi say and some ya kan nyina me my friend nyina obi ani wa waka say obi ja na yire no enti yen hwe ene na obi beka say ene jaman samu a nkrofo gina so ja won yire no na omu tuja won ana omu gina so tuja ma no ebi mai mo je hu say
well baby aba etwem nanso sometimes obi o how fo say mama ntina ho enya hwe nkakra ebe yie enti me nkyerɛkyerɛ nia onim na na se me so me fa eniama entu kwan mu ema niama emmoa
ba monim say mo when someone mo kanyina manka loss of love odo timi yira mujidi mujidi so odo yira
odo yira
Saturday next week mo may discuss because so odo we say mo kanyina we ntia panty we pian bieto ayemre we yi ni Brazil gu ha we no aduane oni ade odo wo mu asade ni be problem
odo ho kura na ebiania what you are expecting emba odo ni tiko.
No one does all one.
There are a few things Emma or Dono Ejina stay on say Senana ye canon when the marriage is not like if the other person is an outing type na unfanim pie na you don't buy gifts for one another. There are some petty things. When those things are not done, it kills the love. And when the love goes down, after the end, when it comes to sex, it's difficult.
It's difficult.
Yeah, you are not able to it's even kissing. At a point in marriage for some couples, even kissing becomes a problem.
Okay.
And it's part of intimacy. It's when all of these things are happening. And the men especially, you say, there are some aspects of them, to say, they can easily go out. Is difficult. So I think that some of these things, and cheating is also part of all of these.
Yeah, in Nyame next week you be loss of love. But where we last submission. Where we would okay. Mama comedy, me don't for sabre we hane DC. But you share me the prayer training so anajuya 12 midnight bia na ye de ama ye bompire ano ehye Facebook prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold. The prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold. And sign our Instagram so I am Rev Gold. I am Rev Gold. I am Rev Gold. Bomodi and share one year train and come on them they make a choice. I Susie Herbal for and a boy Susie Herbal Center said yes, memory be next week. You better say, or do to me, Rana. I saw be bet me. I say, I loved you, but I know because I thought I loved you, but I feel I do not love you anymore. Is there anything like that? And I say, Francis, or don't know so you answer. And then you bet me, I ain't me, Eddie, I train or don't know. I sound so ababim. No. Nyame Adom next week. Bo Nkommo said the Unimu no Susie Herbal Center for omo CB men and women capsules. Ma wo ma se ekeka omo ma omo any feelings. Obi kura message or send was ma me kun send on me da me any feelings into we jam me ho. I'm say go busa so for mama Jean. No one trouble baby feelings ye dey adwuma ansana Black Rock Honey Whiskey no so said the Unimu no Black Rock Honey Whiskey whiskey ye dey a pinch of honey flavor awon unya hoho a na obeti ase said ye bone ni nyina kasapeko for na ededom ye na de mai sa na madwumedi na ayaka ma omde so ya sen unya hoho na so odi bi a7 no na ha na ye de adwumedi ni say of mama Jean Anderson what's in nka of mama Sandra Ameza what's in nka ansana Adis Ababa so what's in nka omonto kwa ne ade ne de normal wa ntie mu anko mbekwa amade achi ye go yanim nyame nhyira nyame adoma ye be sanso aba ehwen obi aze ehwen upro him ade ne chewura so shine akwa ene boa me asana Jamestown J Co ono so ochinchim fidin mai na itimi ehwe wo Facebook nyame adoma ye be sanso ehia nyame nhyira Papa, my number is 0207939870 0207